welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wit, back with another makeup tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to create this pink eyeshadow look for Valentine's Day. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Hope you enjoy this video. First, as always, I'm going in with Sea Breeze and toner, and I'm just using that to clean her face. Next, I'm going in with Morphe setting spray, and this is my way of moisturizing her skin, like giving her some type of moisture. And here I am using Morphe pencil in Java, and I'm just filling in the brows. By the way, she had some nice brows. Her brows were really thick and full. It was so pretty. Here I am going in with Milani concealers, and I'm concealing her brows. I do apologize if the video is a little blurry. I wasn't watching, I wasn't looking at the camera at the time to fix it, but I do apologize. But it won't be like that for long. I get mixed up with the Milani shades, so I believe this is Warm Sand. I think it's my favorite. I have to restock already because I've been going in on these concealers. Like, I love them so much. Now I'm using this Morphe buffing brush, and I'm just buffing the concealer onto her eyelids. I like to start towards the middle arch and really define the tail to give that nice archy look. Now I went in with P. Louise base in 0, and I placed that on the center of her lid, and I'm just using the same buffing brush to blend that out all onto her lids. Now I'm going in with my eyeshadow palette that I always forget. I believe this is the Carnival palette. I don't think it's the Carnival palette, but I just keep forgetting by who it's from. But I'm going in with this pink shade, and it's more like a dark hot pink color. It's really bright, and I'm just going into her crease with that shade, and I'm just buffing it to my liking. So I'm gonna keep going in and adding more shades into her eyelid with that shade. But now I'm going in with the same concealers that I used to conceal her brows, and I'm just blending it out to apply the second shade. Here I am going in with a much brighter pink. It almost comes off as white, but it's like a light pink. It's so pretty. And I thought that it would look so nice with the darker pink. So here I am just tapping that right on top of the concealer that I applied on her lid. Now I'm going to go back in with that darker pink, and I'm just going to blend out the harsh edges of the lighter pink. Once I'm all done with that, I'm going in with some lashes. I did create a thin liner for her, and then I placed the lashes right on top. And the lash glue that I use is Duo, and it's the green one. Here I am applying foundation, and I'm using my Instapop from Real Technique, and the shade I'm using on her face is Marquees by Nars. And notice how I'm working in one section, and I'm tapping the foundation in. If you're wondering what primer I went in with on her skin is, I went in with Babyface. You can get that from Walgreens, CVS. I really love that concealer for my combination skin girlies. So sometimes I go in with Milk, the grip primer, but I mainly go in with the Babyface primer if you have combination skin. Here I am concealing the top with her foundation, Marquise by Nars. And now I'm just blending everything out. Now I'm going in with warm sand or almond, applying that under her eyes to highlight her nose, her forehead, above her lip, and on her chin. I'm just basically now blending out the edges of her concealer, wanting to get like that real full coverage from the concealer under her eyes. If you because I haven't blended that out yet, so basically I like to let the concealer sit and just be able to give me that full coverage that I need. Now here I am going in with a lighter shade, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what shade this one is, but I just love all their concealers. So I don't know shade, but I'll have it listed down below. Anything that I don't know, I'll have it listed down below. Now I'm going in with black opal and ebony, and I'm just applying. I applied the contour, cream contour in the areas to contour, which is her forehead, her nose, and her jawline. Below her cheeks. And here I am just blending out the concealer. She's so pretty. Oh, this looks so nice. And now I'm using a smaller, dense brush to blend out her contour on her nose. Making sure to get that nose snatched as possible. Now I'm going in with Morphe's angled brush, and I'm just blending out the cream contour on her forehead. Now I'm going in with AC Cosmetics and No Shine, and I'm just tapping that setting powder into her skin. I haven't actually baked. I'm tapping the setting powder into her skin. I usually bake the nose and the forehead before I bake everywhere else. And here I am making sure we get a sharp and precise contour. As far as for the nose too. Going in with Morphe Trendsetter. I love this pencil. I'm going in with Morphe Trendsetter, and I'm just lining up her lips. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.